Deleted something by mistake? Don't worry. OneDrive's Recycle bin keeps your deleted files for a period of time so you can recover them. Here's how to access the Recycle bin using a Windows 10. Here's how to access the Recycle bin using your Windows. Start by opening your preferred browser on Windows and go to onedrive.live.com. Log into your Microsoft account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're inside your OneDrive dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click on Recycle Bin. This will open a list of recently deleted files. To restore a file, click on the checkbox next to it and hit the Restore button at the top. If you want to permanently delete it, choose Delete instead. And that's how easy it is to recover deleted files using the OneDrive Recycle Bin on Windows. A few clicks and your files are back where they belong. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this.